Hello, my name is Stephanie and today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic table. The first thing that we're going to do is to access Microsoft Excel. Here I already have the previously given information on the example. So the next step is going to be clicking on Insert, click on Dynamic Table, and now we're going to choose the range. So we're going to select the area where is the information and click on Accept. In that moment, you will get here the information for the dynamic table. We're going to get the filters, the columns, the lines, and the values. So on the lines, we're going to choose the dates, which is what I want to have here. On the values, I'm going to choose the amounts, so we can get a total sum. And on the filters, I'm going to choose the category. We're going to put it here so that it is on top. And right away you will get your dynamic table. Depending on what values you want to have on each of the columns and lines, you can change them and make it differently. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.